Did you know that some people make a living selling coins and banknotes? Not just their own, but other people's too? In this video, I'm going to show you how and why many people earn a real income selling coins, and in some cases, make a lot of money doing it. And no, they're not just selling coins they found in a drawer years ago. Many of them are also selling coins for other people. People who don't really know what their coins are worth. If you like the idea of selling coins, comment, "Sell my coins right now," and subscribe while you learn what coin sellers actually do every day. Most collectors are willing to pay thousands and sometimes even millions of dollars for very special coins or banknotes. But here is something most people don't realize. Some of those same coins were sold just days earlier for only a few dollars to a reseller. So what makes the difference between a life-changing sale and missing the opportunity completely? The answer is simple: knowledge and patience. If you're not sure about the value of your coin and you're worried about selling it too cheaply, you can always ask. You can tell us what coin you have, and we'll help you understand its current value and the best place to sell it. Because in this market, knowing where and how to sell matters just as much as the coin itself. And there's something else happening behind the scenes. Coin dealers don't just sell coins. They create a buying experience. They use albums for beginners and specialized albums for advanced collectors, carefully designed to match what each buyer is looking for. All of this is done to create a sense of exclusivity for people who are willing to pay thousands of dollars for a single coin. That's why, if you want to sell your coins, you need to make your listing stand out. Don't rush to sell your coins, and don't price them so low that someone else ends up making a small fortune from them. When you take the time to describe your coin properly and use clear, high-quality photos, you create something very important. You create a sense of exclusivity, and that's exactly what antique shops and experienced dealers understand. They don't just sell an item. They make the buyer feel like they are buying something rare and valuable. If you organize your coins and take the time to learn about older coins, you can start by earning some extra income alongside your regular job. And with enough experience, you can turn this into a long-term, sustainable business. And who knows, you might even come across that one special coin that could be worth thousands or even more. But remember, this is not about luck. It's about learning, paying attention to details, and making smart decisions. And you don't have to do it alone. You can always count on us to support you in the learning process and to share valuable and realistic information so you can avoid myths and stay away from opportunists. This is a channel for people who want to understand coins and learn how to sell them the right way. Thank you for your time.